In this video I am going to explain what really happens when you stop taking Ozempic or Mounjaro, why so many people experience a rebound effect, and most importantly, how you can prevent it. Everyone hears about the weight loss benefits of GLP-1 medications, but very few people understand the biology that kicks in the moment you stop them. If you or someone you know is thinking about coming off these medications, this is the video you need to watch. 1. While you are taking GLP-1 medications, your appetite drops, your stomach empties more slowly, and your hunger hormones are suppressed. Your brain and body adapt to this new state. Eating feels easier to control and your cravings are quieter. But when the medication stops, all of these effects reverse very quickly. Your hunger hormone, ghrelin, rises sharply. Your stomach begins to empty faster again. Your brain returns to its original reward pathways around food. This creates a sudden surge in appetite that feels overwhelming. This is not a lack of willpower. It is a biological reset. 2. During rapid weight loss, the body becomes highly protective. Your metabolism slows down as your body tries to conserve energy. Muscle mass may decrease, which further lowers your calorie burning capacity. When you come off the medication, you now have a faster returning appetite paired with a slower metabolism. That combination makes weight regain extremely common. 3. What happens in the first 4 to 8 weeks? The period immediately after stopping is the danger zone. In the first 1 to 2 weeks, appetite increases abruptly and cravings feel stronger. By weeks 3 and 4, most people start unintentionally eating more than before because hunger cues become so intense. Energy may dip and you begin to notice the scale moving up. Between weeks 5 and 8, the metabolism is still lagging, and the body becomes more efficient at storing calories. Without a plan, rapid rebound weight gain often begins in this window. The good news is that rebound weight gain can be prevented. The first step is not stopping the medication abruptly. A gradual taper allows your appetite hormones to adjust slowly. Next, focus on protein as a daily priority. Eating enough protein helps control hunger and protects your muscle mass, which supports metabolism. Strength training 2 to 3 times per week is one of the most effective tools you have for maintaining your metabolic rate. Choose slow digesting carbohydrates and add fiber to your meals to help with satiety and blood sugar control. When hunger surges, use the 20-minute rule: pause, breathe, and allow your brain to recalibrate before eating. Some people also benefit from supportive supplements such as creatine, magnesium, or fiber, depending on their needs. 5. The emotional impact of stopping these medications can be just as challenging as the physical changes. Many people fear returning to their previous weight. Others experience pressure to maintain results or frustration when hunger returns. These feelings are normal, and they reflect how significant the change is for your body and your identity. Understanding the mental side of this transition makes it easier to navigate with confidence and compassion for yourself. 6. Not everyone should stop GLP-1 medications quickly. Some people may need more time, medical supervision, or specific metabolic targets before transitioning off. Others may have strong reasons to stop, such as side effects or personal circumstances. The key is to make the decision intentionally, with awareness and planning, not suddenly or without support. Stopping a GLP-1 medication is not the end of your journey. It is a transition. If you understand what your body is doing and support it step by step, you can maintain your results and protect your health. If you want a complete, structured off-ramp plan based on the latest research, comment off-ramp and I will create a detailed guide.